Hey, it's me. I'm still here. I used to have a blog called itsjusthair.com, and my friend and I used to blog once a week or so about natural hair care and style and fashion and current events, things like that. I haven't blogged in about 2 years. Since then, I have had another baby. So I have a baby boy, he's 8 months old. I don't know when the last time I posted, but I had braces, which are off. And I got married. It's been 4 years now, so that might have been one of the last posts that I got up there. So a lot has changed. I've been really busy. I have a new job as well. I'm working back downtown in Washington, D.C., and I live in the suburbs of Maryland. I have a house. My husband and I bought a new house a little while after we got married, and I sold my old house, which was a small craftsman bungalow. This one is a Cape Cod with more space in and outside, so a lot more housework to do and upkeep. I'm kind of in our attic right now, third floor attic. This is where my office space is when I'm at home. So I wanted to just post an update and then also share my thoughts regarding getting back online. I have a lot of interests and I'm trying to decide which ones to post about, which ones people are interested in, and then how to go about posting them. Part of the reason that I've been offline for so long is that since I've had my second child and since I changed jobs, I've been much more busy and I've had a lot less time to do my crafts and my hair and things like that. So figuring out how to also find time to edit copy and write text and record videos and even get the equipment that a lot of people are using to post videos, a microphone, a better camera, applications to edit video and stuff. Like, I just don't have time to do that stuff, and thinking about doing it has been daunting to the extent that I've just been like kind of frozen. So I haven't done anything, and rather than focus on that, now that a lot of people are posting live videos and that the stories have become more common and people are just posting unedited video, I'm like, why don't I just do that? Why don't I just post unedited video and call it what it is, and then challenge myself to be more creative in terms of what I'm posting and the backgrounds and, you know, what I'm showing, rather than the talking head video here. The funny thing about it is, at work, I'm a content creator and I'm very much into social media. I actually place all of our paid search ads at my job. So I'm very familiar with the internet and how things work, and I just don't have it working for myself. So I'm going to change that. I don't see how how I've been stuck for so long when all of these resources are right at my fingertips and I'm just not using them for myself. I also want to involve my husband because he has, I don't think I've ever had him on video with me before, but he has the greatest voice ever. You'll meet him, and I want him to do some of my voiceovers, especially when I'm showing things like my crafts or the garden or food or things that, I can record ahead of time and then have him do a voiceover for. I think that would be really cool, and it'll also just get him some recordings available so that we can start marketing his voice, because that's another thing. He has just a natural talent, and all these years just figuring out how to get a recording or how to get a podcast up for him. We just haven't done it because it seems like it's so hard, versus just starting, just record a video, just, do a voiceover. So together we're just gonna go. We're just gonna start posting videos. We're gonna resurrect my blog. And the thing that started all of this is that my domain name actually expired and I didn't notice. The credit card that I had on auto renew had been replaced for fraud or something like that. So, they send you the new card in the mail and then you have to go figure out what was using that card. So that was one of the things that I wasn't aware of. And my domain name expired and my blog went down. So I had to decide, do I want to renew this? Do I really want to pay for another year or two on this domain name that I'm not using? And that includes, I probably have 13 domain names from back in the day when I had all these interests. So I renewed it. And now that I'm paying for it again and I have hosting space, I have all this stuff, I might as well use it. And if using it means that I'm not editing my videos and that I'm doing posts on the fly, then that's what it's going to be. So look forward to hearing more from me in the coming days even. I have tons of things that I want to talk about. So stay tuned, and you'll see my kids, you'll see my garden, you'll see things that I'm cooking, you'll see my capsule wardrobe that I'm trying to put together. You'll see my hair. My hair is still, big, and it's still pretty long. I keep cutting it just to keep it manageable. But, I'm still into the products and trying things out, trying to make my wash day go faster. So I can still get all that stuff out there, and I look forward to doing so. And I'll see you soon.